That may work, or at least give you a baseline to start off. You can use a talk test or an RPE test, and some of the simple things here are look to be at an RPE that's either 2 or 3 out of 10. So when you're saying how hard something is, and after 5, 8, 10, 12 minutes at that intensity, someone asks, out of 10, how hard would you say this is? Ultimately, you're looking for somewhere between 2 and 3 to be fully in zone 2. This can be hard to get used to. It can be impacted by other people around you. Like, you'll often want to say, oh, it's not as hard, because you're trying to show you're that little bit fitter, but ultimately you want to try and be as accurate as possible with RPE tests. Another way is to use the talk test. If you're able to talk and have a full-blown conversation, but you can string a sentence or two together, that generally means you probably are in your zone 2. You shouldn't be able to say a long ream of stuff. If you are, that's probably a little bit too easy. If all you can get out is one sentence or just a couple of words at a time, that's probably a little bit too high in intensity. But being conscious that I have to think about what I'm saying here, but being able to put together a few sentences, that's another good sign that you're in zone 2.